What up, everybody? It's JBG here, back with another one. Hey, got some new content for y'all and some new exclusive news. Well, since all the hard times I done put in and just it just not starting and stuff. Said I couldn't take it to the it wasn't getting enough start. I mean, my electricity wasn't getting to my starter, or my starter wasn't getting to my battery. So I'm just gonna tear it down, rebuild it, rebuild the whole engine, just the top, like the top. 'Cause I already basically didn't do the bottom, but at least gonna put new heads in it, new flat top pistons, new valley springs, new cam, and a new intake manifold. So, and then MSD switch. So might as well strip it down since it's already the end of summer. I'll just rebuild the whole engine. That's what I just came up with and came to the conclusion like might as well. So that's what I'm in the process of doing, is taking this stuff down and getting to it. So I'm gonna show y'all, see if I can get it and get to it. Might as well. That's why it's feeling chilly out. Nippy. Nippy. So I'm just gonna just take it apart. Take it apart, everything out. And put some new stuff on. Get rid of this big part, big piece too. So stay tuned with the guy. Back piece keep on over. Yeah, I'm just gonna build the whole engine. Might as well build it all up. Mine's getting the end of the fall. End of the summer. Just do it. Dang, I got no more pins. Yep, that is the time. That'll have to do for now. Dolly. Pulling. So yeah, I'm just basically just everything I'm taking off and putting it in a bag with the bolt or the washer or the nut, whatever it came off of. I'm just putting it all back in my trunk, really. Putting it in my trunk. And I'm labeling everything correctly, so when I get all my new stuff and put it on, I know where everything is. Be easy to locate. It won't be hard. And that. Take these hoses off. Yeah. I'm just showing y'all bits and pieces just 'cause I ain't dropped none, but I'm just gonna get keep getting to it, and I'm gonna drop another video of this because I wish I can have an actual computer, the right technology where I could just videotape it all and cut through it all, but I don't. It's all on my cell phone. But I'm gonna tear it down, drop another video when I'm done. But yeah, this is what I got so far. You know, I took the battery out, took the cable. I'm gonna replace new power cable. And then I even bought a new distributor, brand new distributor. You know, got the old one right there. So you mean I put a lot of money into this new alternator, new starter, but I think I'm gonna replace this alternator. I'm gonna get a way more powerful alternator and starter. Get and then do all new stuff. I'm just get everything new in here. I already got a lot of stuff new, so it ain't gonna really be too much of a hassle. But just do a little bit more stuff because man, this stuff. I ain't tripping though. Gonna get her running. Right after this stuff, she gonna run now. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Like and subscribe, ring that bell. Thanks for everybody who been staying tuned with me. Thank you all my subscribers for real. Much love. Yeah, I'm gonna drop another one like I said. Peace.